Welcome back, guys, on my YouTube channel. Today I have a very exciting product to present to you, and this will be the installation tutorial. Finally, after a very long wait, we have the KTM 790-890 side panels. You all seen that the KTM 890-790 has a weird section here, so we decided to design something that would improve the look, but also help from an aerodynamic point of view and help the airflow to the side of the rider. This doesn't affect eventual buffeting on your head, as this depends on the front windshield. We did all the development with the standard OEM windshield that's delivered with the bike. These side panels fit on the 790-890, both versions, the Adventure R and the S. But with no further ado, let's start the installation tutorial. You see here there are some stickers. They are placed like shit on the panel, but this is because we are just now developing some sticker kit designs, so we just place them to see how they look. This is not the quality that we will use for the final stickers. Now, to start the installation process, we'll need to remove this OEM deflector. To install the side panel kit, we will only need to use two keys, a T30 Torx and a 4mm Allen key. To start disassembling the first bolts, we'll use the T30 Torx. We will go and remove these two lower bolts. Now, once you remove the deflector, you get the two OEM bolts and you keep them aside because we will reuse them in order to install the side panels. The same goes for this clip. We'll have to push it out because this then will go on the supplied bracket for the side panel. Next step, we will remove these two bolts on the radiator shroud. The last bolt we'll need to remove and then start the installation process is this Torx bolt here. We get now one of these brackets and the threaded clip that we removed from the OEM bars, and we will insert the clip here on the bracket. You'll need to apply a bit of pressure and push, don't worry. It's meant to be a bit hard to push in. The hole on the bracket is slotted, so there is tolerance between one bike and the other, since the radiator shrouds are plastic, so they can, deform in time. In this way, you can move it either backward or forward, depending on when we go install the side panels, where we'll need this threaded clip in order to bolt through the Torx. The next step, we will get the M5 bolt and the M5 washer. We'll put the washer on the bolt and then through the bracket. Last but not least, we put the spacers, and then we're ready to install the bracket on the bike. Now we get the bracket with the spacers and we go insert it here on the side panel. This side panel moves, so you'll need to move it a bit in order to center the thread and being able to bolt on the bracket. When installing the bracket and all the bolts we will install back, if you want to know the torque value is exactly the same as written on the manual, because we are using all the OEM fixings. Now we're ready to install the side panels. We will align this hole first using the OEM bolts, so the hole is made bigger so that then the bolt will sit inside the side panel. These are super easy to install. They fit like a glove. You'll align it, put the bolt through and start tightening it. While you tighten the bolt, be sure that the bolt goes and sits in the hole and not outside, so you might have to slightly move the panel. Second hole to align, you see that on the bracket the clip we placed is not centered, so we'll be able to slide it forward until it aligns, and then we can insert the bolt. Last bolt to insert is under here, but here we'll need to use these two washers. The reason for which we use the washers is because the thickness of the side panel, it's thicker than the spacer that is on this bolt. And also this will give us the chance to align the side panel in order to have both side panels perfectly lining up with the OEM windshield. Once you install the side panel, you see now there is a bit of gap. This means I need to push it towards the headlight. So I'll push it towards the headlight and then tighten, and now we have a very small gap. This is the correct way to install the side panel. You want as less gap as possible. Well guys, you saw how easy and quick it is to install these side panels. I'll maybe make a video while I'm riding with these panels, and especially at high speeds. So I'll show you when we were testing also at 180 kilometers an hour. Obviously not very legal, but here you can also, I'll ask Giacomo to show you both colors. It's available in white and black. We're thinking of maybe making an orange version, but it's very difficult to match exactly the same orange as the KTM one. So we'll do some tries, and maybe if you follow me on Instagram and follow Rebel X Sports on Instagram, maybe I'll post some of the tests with the orange side panels. I'll also update you with the sticker kit and maybe make the video once the sticker kits are ready. Thanks guys for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao!